Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is Jenny's Outlet here. As usual, it is a Monday morning on this side of the world, okay? Yeah, it is currently 8:10. So today is a Monday morning. My little baby, my daughter is not feeling too well. So I'm going to be home with her, and also I have things that I need to get done today. As you guys must have heard me mention in my previous vlog, I'm having people coming to install a new granite and a new backsplash and kind of like paint my cabinets, because the cabinets that I have here, I dislike it a lot. Like, it's not my favorite part of the house. This kitchen is really not my favorite part of this house. So I've decided that it's a work I really need to get done.
Don't you like the kitchen? Don't you always stay in here every time?
Yeah, I stay in the kitchen because I like cooking, but I dislike my countertop. I dislike everything. So
Oh, I
currently,
just remembered something. These cabinets actually look like the ones in Old Like Guy in our college days.
okay. So at this point, I have to clean. Like, if I show you how my house is, you're gonna feel sorry for me because the house is a mess at this point. It's really a mess. I'm moving things from the countertop and the kitchen entirely because they need to work in this kitchen for the next 1 week or less. So I'm already moving things. Because of this, my house is a mess, a total mess. So I have few other things that I need to move from the counter to my dining area. I don't care. It could be anywhere on the dining table, on the floor, anywhere, as long as it's not in this kitchen space. So that's what I'm about to do. I already called the guy. He said they're supposed to be here 9 to 10. So from 9 to 10, they will be here. So let me show you guys what I'm working with and what my house currently looks like right now. This is what, like, I'm trying to like get everything out of the cabinets and stuff. So this, I'm like moving things away. Can you guys see? Yeah. And also, we're thinking of getting a new fridge, maybe something like this or something better. I don't know.
Chalkboard.
Yeah, we're thinking of getting a new fridge. This one probably gonna be moved to the garage, and the one in the garage probably moves elsewhere or trashed or donated something. Yeah, this one has to move to the garage. So let me show you guys what I'm currently working with. If you there, the fridge, first of all, not there's nothing wrong with the fridge apart from the water dispenser is not working.
Yeah,
But
like
the
how
water dispenser
it's
is a
not just
very,
it's not just coming from me. It's coming from us.
yeah, the kids broke it. So
I
yeah.
didn't break it.
I don't know who broke it. I said the kids.
That's why we didn't broke it.
You didn't broke it? You didn't break it?
The water
That's my
is
little girl.
broken, but the ice is not.
Yeah, the ice part is working. It's just the water section. So yeah, guys, this is what my kitchen looks like. I have, like, it's a mess. Trust me, it's a mess. Can you guys see?
Mommy.
It is a mess, a total mess. So that's, these are, you see, this looks like it's for the floor. That's why I hate it so bad. So, but thank God it's going away. So this is my dining area. Can you guys see? Everything from the cabinet, all my Nigerian food is on the, who put all this there? Is me. I'm trying to clear my um I'm trying to clear. I could have put it somewhere else. Yeah, but this is my house. This is my house. You don't pay my mortgage, so you cannot tell me what to do. Can you keep that stuff? So I'm still in the process of clearing stuff. Okay, I'll show you what the finished product looks like. This is what I'm working with right here. It needs a little bit of other things. The backsplash needs to be done. Um, yeah, because it still has that ugly tile at the end. So the backsplash needs to be done, and sink, the faucets and stuff. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Go, don't touch it. Move back. So the sink has to be the sink is attached already, so we're wearing. Then the cabinets, they still have to scrape and paint. That's what is left for this to be the kitchen I wanted. Okay, not quite the kitchen I wanted, but like what I could do with my limited resources. Okay, yeah, because I don't have the money to change up everything. So now this is like very difficult to take off. So he just told me that he has to do a new drywall. Yeah, I don't know why the person that did this one did not take it off, but yeah, probably was waiting. This is everything in the drywall. Can you guys see? Look at all that. All that is exposed. And I got tired of buying water from the store and lifting the big packs and all those kind of things. It was telling on me. So I decided to opt out for a new fridge. At the long run, is better for me. Yes. You might not see it, but trust me, it's better for me. So yeah, this is what the kitchen looks like. This is my new fridge here. Um, yeah, this is my new fridge here. The one I this is my new fridge here. I had another one in mind that I really wanted, but then it was like almost 3,000, almost 1,000 more expensive than this one. This one was like, I think, 2,700, and when you add the taxes and everything that comes with it. So yeah, this is what my kitchen looks like. I have this light here. This light is actually from Amazon. I've forgotten what it's called. Yeah. So this is the kitchen. Okay. So I changed my fridge. I changed the backsplash. I changed the countertop. I changed my sink. So basically, and I repainted my cabinets. So yeah, this is it. I will take you guys along. I hope you enjoyed this. Yeah. Yeah, I have my camera there. The camera that I haven't been using. I haven't used the worth of this camera. This camera is the Canon Mark II something. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Yep. That I don't even use. I end up using my phone for the most part. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you went along with me as I renovated my kitchen, tell me what you like. Do you like it? I like it. It's functional. I wanted to change the cabinets and change the um positioning of the gas and all that, but it was going to cost me an arm and a foot. So I opted for something that is a lot better and that I'm more comfortable with. I'm comfortable in my kitchen now, unlike before I hated the backsplash a lot. So now this is something I enjoy. So if you liked this video, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in my next one, okay? Bye bye.